Okay guys, here I am filming the answer key. I'm going to do it in real time. If I make a mistake, well, just sit back and enjoy it. Alright, we are asked to find the points. These are points in polar form. So the way it is, this is r comma theta. So we go out to 5 and we rotate up 30 degrees in this case. So there's A. Then we go 3, negative 90, so I go out to 3 and I rotate negative 90 down to there. So in math, it's nice. This is the plus direction, so it makes sense that this is the opposite. That's the negative direction, so there's B. Then this final one, negative 730, we can do this two ways. Both are correct. I can go out to 7, and then I can rotate 30 up to here, and then I can go along that axis to 0 to negative 7, like right there. Or I could also go to negative 7 out to here and then rotate 30 degrees from negative 7, and that also is going to be point C. All right? Convert each of the points above into rectangular form. Just simply know the formula that r times cosine of theta is your x, and r sine of theta is going to be your y. Okay, so I'll just do one, and then the other ones you can just see in the copy online. So I will do for first one 5 cosine, in this case of 30 degrees. Hit enter, and that's 4.33. Go to 2 decimal places, 4.33 comma, and I happen to know that the sine of 30 degrees is 0.5. Half of 0.5 is 2.5. Or sorry, half of 5 is 2.5. So that's it. Okay, you can check those out later. Find the indicated value in each triangle. This is a SOHCAHTOA problem, so just know that magical phrase and how to use it. In this case, this is your hypotenuse. Do that first. Do the opposite side next. Once you've done that, the leftover one is always your adjacent. You'll never go wrong. In this case, I am interested in the adjacent, and I've got the opposite, so it's TOA. So I write the tangent, then, of 31 degrees. When you're given the angle, you always do the tangent. You always do the trig ratio of that angle. And then it is going to be equal to the opposite, 25, over the adjacent x. The way you solve this is use Mr. Olson's switcheroo technique. So I can say x then is equal to 25 divided by the tangent of 31 degrees. Alright, so I can just take in my calculator, type in 25 divided by the tangent of 31, and I get 41.6. So x is 41.6, whatever it is, units. Okay, for the second problem down here, I'm asked to find an angle. Now, to find the angle, you know it's going to be the inverse sine, cosine, or tangent. This is my opposite side. I've already identified the hypotenuse as being across from the right angle symbol. So this then again is your leftover side. That's the adjacent. I've got the opposite and the adjacent, so this is another tangent. Tan to the minus 1 of 9 over 7 is going to be equal to my angle theta, or x in this case, x degrees. And so I do second tangent, and 9 divided by 7, and I get 52.1 degrees. 52.1 degrees. Then A, I can just do the Pythagorean theorem, and I'm just going to do 7 squared plus 9 squared, enter, and then I want to do caret to the 0.5, or take the square root, both are the same thing, 11.4 approximately 11.4 units. All right, so that is the first page.